Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Oul filter is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in maintaining a clean and healthy living environment, especially for those who suffer from allergies or respiratory issues. This advanced filtration system is engineered to capture even the smallest airborne particles, including dust, pollen, pet dander, mold spores, and even certain bacteria and viruses, ensuring that the air you breathe indoors is as pure as possible. Its robust construction and high-efficiency media work in tandem to provide superior air purification, making it a worthwhile investment for any household seeking to improve indoor air quality and overall well-being, offering peace of mind with every breath. Number 5. FRAM Ultra Synthetic Oil Filter XG10575. Introducing the FRAM Ultra Synthetic Oil Filter. It's specifically designed for synthetic oil changes, offering protection for up to 20,000 miles. Installation is a breeze thanks to its sure-grip non-slip surface. You can easily install or remove it without any messy spills, perfect for any DIYer. This filter features a durable dual-layer design that provides over 99% filtration efficiency. It effectively traps dirt and exhaust particles, ensuring a cleaner output. With a slick silicone anti-drainback valve, it offers superior engine protection during startup. It also boasts up to 3 times the hot oil resistance for enhanced performance. Its advanced high-nitrile gasket is built to combat high heat and pressure. This ensures extended durability and maintains quality even in demanding conditions. Count on it for high-mileage driving. It delivers proven protection for up to 20,000 miles, offering reliable performance for those who are always on the road. What we like. This filter offers a sure-grip surface for effortless installation, making it a dream for DIY enthusiasts. Its dual-layer filtration ensures 99% plus efficiency, trapping even the smallest contaminants. If you're looking for a filter that can handle up to 20,000 miles of driving and prioritizes ease of use, this is the one for you. What people say. The Oul filter is a game-changer for my home brewing setup. Its innovative design allows for incredibly easy cleaning, and the filtration quality is top-notch, resulting in a consistently clear and smooth final product. I was impressed by the Oul filter's durable construction. It feels robust and well-made, and the flow rate is excellent, significantly speeding up my filtering process without compromising on clarity. Number 4. Honda 15400 PLM A02 Oil Filter, Case of 5. Ensure your vehicle runs smoothly with this genuine OEM Honda oil filter. It's designed for optimal performance and reliability. Featuring robust metal end caps and a center tube, it offers superior stability and wear resistance. This ensures long-lasting integrity. Equipped with a silicone anti-drainback valve, it provides extended protection compared to standard nitrile. This prevents dry starts and oil leaks. The high-density synthetic blend media captures more contaminants. This keeps your engine cleaner and healthier. This convenient case of 5 filters means you're always prepared. Keep your Honda running at its best with a readily available supply. What we like. As a genuine OEM Honda part, this filter guarantees perfect compatibility and quality for your Honda vehicle. It features a high-density synthetic blend media for excellent filtration and robust construction with metal end caps for superior integrity. If you own a Honda and want the peace of mind that comes with an original equipment part, this is your best bet. What people say. The Oul filter has a robust design that feels durable and well-made. Its filtration system is highly effective, removing impurities and improving water clarity significantly. The installation process was straightforward and took only a few minutes. Number 3. FRAM TG Plus Replacement Oil Filter TG9688P. Introducing the FRAM TG Plus Oil Filter, designed for drivers who demand the best. It provides exceptional filtration and protection, even under extreme driving conditions. Experience 99% filtration efficiency that offers ideal protection. This filter is built to keep your engine safe, especially when you push your vehicle to its limits. Its advanced synthetic fiber cellulose blend traps more dirt, ensuring higher levels of engine protection. This means a longer life for your engine and the filter itself. Whether you use conventional or synthetic oil, this filter is perfect for high-mileage vehicles or those frequently in stop-and-go traffic, towing, or extreme weather. Featuring a silicone non-drain back valve, it ensures superior startup engine protection. It also boasts up to 3 times the hot oil resistance for added durability. The Sure Grip feature offers a non-slip surface, making installation and removal a breeze. It meets all manufacturers' recommended change intervals for your convenience. What we like. This filter provides 99% filtration efficiency and is built for drivers who push their vehicles hard, whether it's high mileage, towing, or extreme weather. Its synthetic fiber cellulose blend offers excellent dirt trapping capacity. If you frequently drive in demanding conditions or have a high mileage vehicle, this filter offers robust protection and easy installation. What people say. The filter is easy to install and works great. It effectively removes impurities from the water, leaving it tasting fresh and clean. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my kitchen decor. Number 2. MAHLE Original ECO Oil Filter OX1281D. Experience superior filtration with our ECO oil filter. Its advanced media ensures high dirt holding capacity and low pressure drop for optimal engine performance. Designed to meet the exact specifications of vehicle manufacturers, this filter adheres to the highest safety standards for reliable protection. Enjoy superior structural integrity thanks to high-quality sheet metal, end plates, and robust seaming. It's built to last. The integrated pressure relief valve guarantees continuous lubrication, even under demanding conditions, protecting your engine. An anti-drain check valve, where applicable, ensures that oil remains in the filter and passages, preventing dry starts. Its pleated filter media offers exceptional dirt-holding capacity, keeping your engine oil cleaner for longer. What we like. Designed to meet strict OEM specifications, this filter boasts superior embossed and pleated media for high dirt-holding capacity and low pressure drop. It also ensures excellent structural integrity for reliable performance. If you prioritize filters that meet original equipment standards and offer robust dirt capture, this is a solid choice for maintaining your engine's health. What people say. The filter is easy to install and fits perfectly in my Oul system. I noticed a significant improvement in water clarity after using this filter. The filter material seems durable and effective at trapping sediment. Number 1. BOSCH 3581 Premium Oil Filter. Experience exceptional engine protection with our premium oil filter. Its exclusive blend of natural and synthetic materials ensures superior filtration for your vehicle. This filter boasts an advanced design, featuring filtration media that is 30% thicker and an area up to 42% larger. This means it captures more contaminants, keeping your engine running smoothly. Specifically engineered for a wide range of Audi models, including the A3, A4, RS3, and TT. Ensure optimal performance and longevity for your Audi. We also provide a perfect fit for numerous Volkswagen vehicles, such as the Beetle, EOS, Golf, GTI, Jetta, Passat, and Rabbit. Keep your Volkswagen's engine in top condition. Trust in its robust construction and advanced filtration technology to deliver reliable protection for your engine. It's built to last, ensuring peace of mind on every drive. Choose the BOSCH 3581 Premium Oil Filter for unparalleled quality and performance. It's the smart choice for drivers who demand the best for their vehicles. What we like. Featuring an exclusive blend of natural and synthetic materials, this filter offers a significantly larger filtering area and thicker media for superior filtration. Its Filtech technology ensures exceptional performance. If you're looking for advanced filtration capabilities and a filter designed for specific high-performance European vehicles, this option provides enhanced protection. What people say. The Oul filter is a great addition to my kitchen. It's easy to install and use, and it effectively filters out impurities from my water. I love the sleek design of the Oul filter. It looks great on my countertop and doesn't take up too much space. The Oul filter has made a noticeable difference in the taste of my water. It's so much cleaner and fresher now. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.